Hey there, thanks for clicking on this week's video. Today's topic is going to speak to anyone thinking of doing some updates or refreshes in their home. So let's dive right in. I am asked by almost every client I work with, how can we incorporate finishes and furnishings that are timeless? In other words, aren't going to date themselves in 5 years' time? Oh, this is such a great question, and I'm so glad we're talking about it today. So, you've probably heard time and time again that there are some must-have wardrobe basics, right? So that would include items like your little black dress, your nude pumps, your black blazer, and so on. Guys, for you that might be a gray pair of jeans, a blue suit, a gray leather jacket. I don't know as much about the men's basics, so that was just a guess. But my point here is that you can apply the same principles to your home and how you pull your designs together. So, for example, let's say our little black dress is our cabinetry. We want something that fits us perfectly, won't go out of style, and maybe I'll be able to alter if needed in the future. So, how can we take those same principles and apply them to our cabinets would be like this. Select a simple profile that will work with any decor. So for example, a shaker door or a flat panel door. If you want to get fancier with your crown molding and trim, that's okay. That'll be a bit easier and less expensive to change out in the future. Go for a good quality cabinetry that's been designed and fit to your space to give it a truly custom and quality finish. I would add features like soft close, full extension, and functional inserts, so you'll be less likely to want to change things or upgrade the actual cabinetry in the future. If you want to play it safe with regards to color, I say go white every time. It never goes out of style. But if you want to play with more trendy colors or stains, because we went with wood cabinets, we'll have the option to change the color in the future if we want to. Typically a wood stain or veneer is the quickest to date and give away the decade it was constructed, so just be careful with your choices there. Okay, so maybe our nude pumps are our flooring choice. We want something comfortable, functional, and stylish. So, how can we apply these principles to our flooring choices? Let's just be clear here. No flooring manufacturer wants to create a product that buyers will never want to replace, right? They just wouldn't be in business for very long that way. So, manufacturers are always creating new trends and new ways of using their products that can make us feel we are forever chasing this elusive design perfection. Achieving something that will never date is virtually impossible, but we can select items that give us at least a fighting chance. As far as flooring selections go, hardwood is still the clear winner in most cases. Again, much like the cabinets, it's the stains that typically date. So being able to sand and restain your floors will give you an opportunity to update in the future. I find the more natural you go, as a general rule, the more longevity you'll get out of that floor. So we have covered cabinetry and flooring so far. Those are likely the two biggest ticket items. But what about some of the smaller items like sofas and dining tables? Okay, so let's think of our furniture like our black blazer from our wardrobe basic must-haves. We need a piece that fits like a glove, is made of a material we love, and that functions for our lifestyle and can take a beating, because I know I'm going to wear the heck out of it, am I right? If you truly want furniture pieces that are going to last, be prepared to spend a bit extra here to get it right. Make sure you select pieces that are the right size and scale for your space. Consider length, depth, and height of your pieces as they relate to the room that they're going in. Also, consider carefully both what is hidden underneath from a construction standpoint and on the outside, so your fabric and wood choices. I know it sucks, but you will get what you pay for. If you have little kids or pets, spending that little extra for a fabric that has been protected properly will be well worth it for your stress level and budget. And if you hate having to fuss with your sofa cushions, go for a more firm foam or seat cushions that are attached in the back. And go with a neutral fabric that will allow you to change out your toss cushions and accessories in the future. If you follow these guidelines, then you will be free to have fun and play with colors and trends in your backsplashes, your paint colors, artwork, rugs, things that don't need to break the bank to change out. So today we talked about how to select finishes like cabinetry, flooring, and furnishings that are least likely to date in a hurry. But I do encourage you to still play and have fun with your selections. Just play in the right places so you don't regret it in the future. If you liked this video, head on over to our blog for more just like it. And thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next week.